Thanks for joining us on the Garagistic YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a very often neglected part, and they're the pedal bushings in your clutch and brake setup. Now it's actually very understandable why these would be neglected. They're kind of out of the way and they're kind of hard to get to. The only time it ever really comes to mind is when they start making noise, or when your clutch pedal has kind of tilted one side or another, which is very common in E36 and E46 platforms. And it's a very basic modification. So basically what you have here is your factory pedal bushings, and these wear over time, and as you can see from the factory, they actually have a little bit of play in them. That way they can be opening and closing at the same time. Well, for your clutch we have your bronze pedals, bronze pedal bushing, and the Delrin for your brake. Now some people want to run bronze in both. That is acceptable, and it does help. These are self-lubricating, so that definitely helps keep the noise down in the future, so that's good. And these do eliminate a lot of side-to-side play that you can find in your brake pedal. So this is a great upgrade. And basically the installation is very simple. You basically take your bushing, you press it into your BMW pedal on both ends, just like that. And the same applies for your bronze bushings. Basically you end up just pushing it on there, pushing it in. Same with the other side, pushing it in just like that, and it just goes straight on there, and you're done. These can be found on the Garagistic website, so please click on the link below to check it out. Thanks. Wow, it was like, shut